A big focus while the Shiv devotees are set to embark on the journey to a significant Hindu pilgrimage sites in Uttarakhand and Bihar to collect holy water from the Ganges and to offer it to Lord Shiva, the opposition is on the war path against the Yogi Sarkar's coward diktat. Hours after the top court agreed to hear a plea against Uttar Pradesh government's order that eateries along the Kawad Yatra must display names of their owners, TMC firebrand leader Mahua Moitra has also moved the apex court over the same issue. Seeking the top court's intervention in the matter, Mahua Moitra in a plea has said that the UP government's order violates the fundamental rights and targets the marginalized. 3 pleas have been filed in the top court relating to the Uttar Pradesh government's diktat so far. Meanwhile, allies continue to show their resentment over Yogi government's Kanwar order diktat. After RLD, JDU and the LGP, now NCP's Ajit Pawar faction too has joined the chorus. Senior NCP leader and Rajya Sabha MP Praful Patel has said that the UP government needs to take back its decision. Earlier, RLD chief and BJP ally Jayant Chaudhary also asked the Uttar Pradesh government to roll back its order, saying that the pilgrimage does not belong to one religion or caste and that the order was issued without much of a thought.
Doesn't appear to be well thought out and well reasoned decision, and any decision should not cause harm to the sense of well-being of the community and the harmony in the community. कावड़ लेने वाले और उनके सेवादार सब एक ही हैं और शुरू से यहाँ की परंपरा रही है। किसी ने ये नहीं देखा, किसी ने बैर नहीं किया कि हमारी सेवा कौन कर रहा है। लेकिन सर विपक्ष तो ये पहचान करके चिन्हित करने की जो बात है वो मेरी समझ में नहीं आती।
On the other hand, the opposition continues to attack the Yogi government. MIM has said that this bizarre order will promote untouchability in the society. Listen into Asaduddin Owaisi.
कोई सरकार संविधान के खिलाफ ऑर्डर पास करती है तो भारत सरकार को उसका नोट लेना चाहिए, उनके पास अख्तियार है। ये इस तरह से जो ऑर्डर निकालकर आर्टिकल 17 का वायलेशन है संविधान का, अनटचेबिलिटी को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। राइट टू लाइफ के खिलाफ है, आप लाइवलीहुड के खिलाफ है, आर्टिकल 19 के खिलाफ है, और ये आप होते कौन है भाई?